Hey guys, welcome back to another YouTube video with your girl dipped in chocolate. So, your girl is preparing to go to this party called Bikini Brunch. If you have been watching my Instagram posts, you know that I'm a promoter for Bikini Brunch. So yeah, right now I collected my packages from Shein for my outfits and everything, but I want to edge up the what's that? I want to edge up the outfit a little bit, so I got some glitter sprinkle to put on it so that it can be a little bit over the edge. I don't usually show you guys my outfit beforehand, but today is the day that I'll ask you guys for your opinion, even though you guys I'm for asking for an opinion. I'm not gonna see the video unless the video upload. Anyways, continue watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. I'm going to get my hair done, my makeup done, and everything. So continue watching. So the clothes that I wanted to wear is like this mesh thing. So I went to Pings to get a spandex material to make an underwear. Then after I stopped at Mother's to eat some patties. So this is the material, this is the outfit when I finished putting on my gems and all that. So now I'm putting on some glittery on my press-on nails, so you can go check out my press-on nails business, dipped in chocolate merch, on my Instagram page. So let's go. So she even up, guys?
Kiss me ass.
Watch Jessica. Why is she dinner? Hello guys. So today is the day after brunch. My driver have the audacity to text me today. Just now him text me. Said him about this and that. Excuses. Talking about he can't bring me. What do you mean him can't bring me? Bear in mind, this is the only person that I feel comfortable with driving me places and bringing me back home safe. I'm gonna have to worry about him. I'm gonna have to worry about nothing, cause he got me, right? And then him come talk about what I mean. But anyways, I got text on him phone and set him straight, cause I don't know where my talk about. Anyways, me and Aaron I'll go travel. You guys must know Aaron by now. And then I'm gonna link up with him. Right now I'm gonna get my hair done and my makeup. So continue watching. I really need a handstand, a tripod, because my hands are hurting from just holding this heavy ass phone. So guys, this is the big before look. I'm so pretty though. The guys need to be for real. In my messy bun and my natural face. So pretty. You know what?
Okay, so alright, again.
Guys, my hair is finished. This is not what I wanted to do, you know. I wanted to do a hairstyle and with a bang. But you know, I do my makeup, I say, it don't make sense to put a bang in my face and then it's a gonna rub off me my eyebrow and then I go be bombard. I'm going to be so unbugged.
You can have a see up there,
I said the ear and how the makeup look, it does connect.
yeah.
I'm never like hairstyle.
Bad bitch, you not the. So she love each other life, but she don't. Hey, my makeup artist angle my face, my hairstyle is angle my ear, my angle triangle. Them boy don't got no Barbies. If it says a chopper, you don't have a dolly. Oh, it mats out. My angle is me is a real barb.
I don't know, say, obsession, angle triangle, my face. So, we not have to, even talking because we don't know, say, obsession, I go, angle triangle, the dolly face, because dolly is a dolly. I was kind of skeptic with my hairstyle The hairstyle, yeah? But, you know, sister, the hairstyle and the makeup just angle triangle together and connect and reach one part. Alright? So now I look like one African queen. Even more. I'm gonna call my driver because that nigga wants me to shoot him. And I don't want to shoot anybody today because today is Sunday, right? So I go call him and call my friend the moon for link up right now at 2:47. More reach at Harborview. What is Harborview? We're at Harborview by 5 o'clock. And yeah, so guys, everything I go wrong, but I smile same way. I go do my put on some press-on nails. Press-on nails by Dipped in Chocolate merch. Go check them out. Yeah, so my nails look good. I mean customize it. Remember, so guys, I mean to customize it. Yeah.
Cause I'm icy, haters wanna fight me. Never been no one get RP up on the whites. Keep my hands clean, got some haters moving shiesty. I no
some of them get the rich man, they're gonna not make them no money.
I like that.
Move on the blood clot.
Can I beg you to chill? Not forgive me.
Ready again. Big up to the ladies that want to sit there, alright. Move up your girl. No boy, no man, no way. No boy, no man, no way. The man, me can't say. Every time you walk your mouth. Every time you walk your mouth.
Legendary stripper, you are rich like the bed.
Big up to the ladies that want to take away your girl. Sing on loud and say. Look at me shirt for me, I wear look at them leg, I look at my fucking chocolate cards, look at them check. I'm from coming strong, not regular. Anytime when you fuck around, you don't see how you drunk in a regular. I swear to God, who don't know about the market? Mommy say me can't live every day like tons butter. Just live for
So hey guys, I'm back at my friend's house. We're there outside. I chill and I go and eat some burger. Yeah. So you see me change. So I'll sleep. Burger nice. Alright, maybe I become hungry. So thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe. The party was a 10 out of 10. It was so amazing. Yeah? So, bye.